Alright guys, quick video today. I'm just going to show you how to remove the tail lights on an 03 to 06 Expedition. If you got to replace the parking light, brake light, or reverse lights there. Real easy, real quick video. Let's see. Okay, you're going to need a T20 Torx bit for these two screws here, 1, 2. Zip those out. Now what you want to do is grab a screwdriver and get right in here, in this little gap here. You're going to want to push out on it. Don't give you too much room to work here, but there's a little clip behind there. There it is, like that. Push out, you see that little clip in there? That actually just seats in there. The clips are, there we go. Sometimes, now the other side I had to go down here like this and do the same thing. This one just popped out. I'll show you where the other two clips are. They're right there. You got 1, 2, and they go back there on the, looks like one's actually missing on mine. They go back here. That's probably why the bottom came out so easily. You go down here. The top one is going to be your parking light slash brake light slash turn signals, and the bottom one is going to be your reverse light. Give these a little twist. There it is. Now I am going to be replacing these with LEDs, and the thing about that is, if you do replace yours with LEDs, side note, because I did it with the front and didn't realize, you have to replace the relay, otherwise you're going to get hyper flash, and it's going to blink really fast because it's going to think that you have a light out, because the LEDs have less resistance than your regular bulbs do. Now, a good idea to always do, especially on these LED bulbs, I noticed, your little connectors, you got 4 of them, 2 on each side. Take a little screwdriver, put it underneath, and just bend these out just a little bit more than that, so they make a good contact when you put them in there. Just like that. Do that on both sides. Go. And I'll show you. Look on the inside of the bulb, or the socket rather. See how there's 4 contacts, 1 on each side. That's just so they make better contact with that. They're not missing contact when your bulb works right away. Now, one thing about the LED bulbs is sometimes they only work one way. You can either put them in this way or this way. One of them isn't going to work, and so I always just kind of start them in partially. So you'll see, there you go, that's on. Now if I switch it around, if I switch it around to the other way, you'll see it doesn't work. Flip it back this way, and it works. I'm going to do the same thing for the reverse bulb if that's what you're changing. Just pulls right out of there. There it is. Here's your old bulb, by the way. I meant to show you this. If you're just replacing the factory one, it's a, what is it? 3157. If it'll focus there. There you go, 3157. Now, when reinstalling, I want to get both of these clips lined up, one there, one down bottom. Then make sure in here, this one's lined up. You're going to want to hold pressure on the outside. There, you see it popped in. Give it a little push in and put our screws back in. there you have it. Let's take a look how it looks. As you can see, they are, especially those reverse lights, much brighter than the factory. I mean, look at those things. Well guys, you know the deal. If this video helped you out any, do me a favor, hit that like, comment, subscribe, share it. Anything helps keep me motivated to make these videos. I got a few comments recently on some stuff that I did. People were thankful for the help. You know, it allowed them to do the job easier or do the job themselves, and that's why I make these. Honestly, it's a good feeling to know that any of these help people. So like I said, do me a favor, hit that like, comment, subscribe, share it. Till next time.